A very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all in this online morning assembly. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. And the date is 1st August 2020. Now the time for thought of the day. Students, I will tell you a story, then we will discuss about thought of the day. So let's start. Work is worship. Once there was a poor man. He lived in a hut. One day in his sleep, he dreamt of a lot of wealth. He dreamt that a ghost came and asked to fulfill his wish. The poor man went to a saint and asked him to provide him a ghost to fulfill his wish. But the saint denied to do so. He asked the man to work hard. But the man came again on the next day and asked for the same. On his request, the saint said, "All right, I will provide you a ghost, but the condition is that you have to give him work all the time. Whenever you won't be able to give him work, the ghost will swallow you up." The poor man agreed to the condition. The saint told him a mantra to call the ghost. The poor man chanted the mantra again and again, and then a ghost appeared before him. He asked the poor man for work. He asked him to give him work. The ghost said, "Give me some work, otherwise I will eat you up." The poor man gave him first work to build a palace for him. The ghost built a palace in a minute. Then he asked the poor man to give him more work. This time the poor man asked the ghost to bring a lot of wealth for him. The ghost brought a lot of wealth for him within a minute. Then the ghost asked the poor man to give him more work. Otherwise, he said that, "I will eat you up." The poor man asked him to clear the forest and build a beautiful city for him. The ghost immediately cleared the forest and built a beautiful city for him. The ghost said, "Give me some job or I will eat you up for my meal." The poor man doesn't have any work for the ghost. Now the ghost threatened him. Threatened poor man rushed to the saint, and the ghost followed him. When he reached the saint, he requested him to tell him the way to get rid of the ghost. The saint told him that, "I have warned you, but you didn't listen to me. Now I will tell you the way to get rid of him, but you have to promise me to work hard." The poor man promised to work hard. Then the saint asked the poor man to bring a dog. The man fetched a dog. Then the saint said, "Give the dog to the ghost and ask him to straighten its tail." Then there came the ghost following the poor man. He asked him, "Give me some job or I will eat you up." Then the man asked him to straighten the tail of the dog. The ghost tried many times. He tried very hard, but he couldn't straighten the tail of the dog. Then the ghost disappeared. Now the saint said that work is worship. You should work hard to fulfill your dreams. Students, the moral of the story is work is worship. We should work hard to fulfill our dreams. There comes no ghost to fulfill our dreams. We can fulfill our dreams only by hard work. So, students, we should do hard work. So, thought of the day is work is worship.